Welcome back, Crammers, to question 16. Expand and simplify x into 2x minus 3 plus 7 into 2x plus 1 minus 5 according to BIDMAS. We deal with brackets first. So we can see that we have polynomials here, and when multiplying polynomials, we multiply it to everything inside. So 2x times x is 2x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Then moving on, we have 7 times 2x, so that's 14x. 7 times 1, so that's 7. Then we have negative 5. So we write here negative 5. Now that we're done with brackets, indices, a division, and multiplication, we can then move on to addition and then subtraction. So here, we should put all like terms together. We have 2x squared. Negative 3x plus 14x is 11x. And plus 5 minus 5 is plus 2. So our final answer is 2x squared plus 11x plus 2. Expand and simplify. Now, here we're going to be using FOIL method. And FOIL stands for first, O stands for outside, I is inside, and L is last. We can see that for first, we have y times 2, so that's 2y. Outside is y times negative y, so that's negative y squared. Inside is 4 times 2, so that's 8. And last is 4 times negative y, so that's negative 4y. We can then combine the like terms. Here we just have negative y squared, so we can write that, negative y squared. Negative 4 plus 2y is negative 2y. And then we have 8 plus 8. Factorize fully 15b to the power of 5c minus 35b cubed times c to the power of 9. First off, we can see that 15 and 35 are both divisible by 5. Then we can see that b and c are both present in both equations, so we can simply write the highest power. Here we have b to the power of 5 and b to the power of 3. So instead of writing the highest power, we can write the smallest one. So we have b to the power of 3. And then we have c to the power of 1 and c to the power of 9. So you write c to the power of 1. Now we can go on and divide this. 15 divided by 5 is 3. B to the power of 5 divided by b to the power of 3 is the same as b to the power of 5 minus 3. So we have b to the power of 5 divided by b to the power of 3. So that is equal to b to the power of 2. And since c is already given, c divided by c is 1. 1 stays the same, so we don't write that. Now, moving on. 35 divided by 5 gives us 7. B cubed divided by b cubed is simply 1, so we don't write that. C to the power of 9 divided by c to the power of 1 is c to the power of 9 minus 1, which is just 8. So that means our final answer is 5b cubed c times 3b squared minus 7c to the power of 8. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.